So what we need to do here, after clicking here, we need to give a URL. Like I am taking this URL, this video's URL from here, and as you can see, we can take this and we can paste it over there. And after that, we can select a group and submit it. But before you doing that, you need to do something. Enable here in Chrome. So you are in this dashboard section. You need to go there, and after that, here is an option called Enable APIs and Services. So you need to click here, and here you can see YouTube Data API v3. So you need to enable this option to do this submit, and this will work after that. So if you don't do this, if you don't enable this one, so you can't do the thing you need to do. So uh, before submitting this, you need to enable this. Like here I am enabling the, yeah, here already I have enabled this one. So you can disable from here also, and you can enable this too. So from here you need to enable like this, like clicking this you can enable this one. So whenever you enable this one, after that you can submit it. After, it will take some time. Okay, it's enabled now, so you can just submit this one. Okay, I need to provide a group, so this group I have provided, and submit. So after submitting, the video saved successfully. Okay.